What is going on, everyone? If you're a content creator like I am, you may have recently gotten an email directly from YouTube asking you to link your YouTube channel with an AdSense account. That's very important, and that's what we're going to be walking you through today. So if you guys find this video useful, please consider subscribing. It definitely helps us out. And with that said, let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. Alright, you guys, so before we get started, I do want to mention that this is going to have a lot of personal information, so obviously I'm going to do my very best to block that stuff out. But let's go ahead and start with the YouTube email. I'm not going to go through the entirety of it, but I do want to read the important parts. It says, action required, link your AdSense account to your YouTube channel. And again, this is directly from YouTube. This is 100% legit. This is a thing that you need to do in order to continue getting paid on your YouTube channel. So the email starts off by saying, "Hi Noble, as part of the YouTube Partner Program, which is YPP, you've built an audience of viewers around the world. That's a big deal, and because we hold you to high standards as a YouTube Partner Program partner, you have the ability to earn money through your videos. You may already be monetizing your videos, and to maintain eligibility in YPP, you need to link an active AdSense account, even if your channel is part of an MCN, which mine is. On you and existing YPP partners are required to link an AdSense account by January 1st, 2021. So this absolutely needs to be done if you want to continue making whatever little bit of chunk of change that you make from your YouTube channel before January 1st. Now the rest of this, if you guys have this email, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about, but I just wanted to show you guys, this is the email that's going around. This is legit. This is something that needs to be taken care of. So the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is obviously open up YouTube, be sure that you're signed in, and then click on your icon on the top right. After that, go ahead and head on over to YouTube Studio. And once you're here on the left hand side, you want to drop down to monetization. Now this is going to show you some stuff here. You've got overview, your merchandise, your memberships, but if you scroll down, you've got your options here. And then under that, you've got YouTube Partner Program options. Again, you need to have a linked AdSense account. Now, if you're part of an MCN, I do want to try to explain this real quick. If you're part of an MCN, you're going to continue getting paid by your MCN. I'm actually going to keep that because I've got a pretty good deal with my MCN. But if you ever want to leave your MCN, if your MCN ever wants to drop you, or if you've not been partnered with YouTube yet and you're fixing to be partnered, that's what this is for. This is so that YouTube can go ahead and start paying you whenever that becomes a thing. Now, it is important to note, in order for you to get paid by YouTube, you do have to have that 1,000 subscriber goal, as well as 4,000 watch hours each and every month. And you will not get paid by YouTube until you reach a threshold of at least $100 in your account. So that's important to note. Again, I'm already part of a MCN. I'm already getting paid by them, so I don't really have to worry about it. So right here, we're going to go ahead and link an AdSense. And then this window is going to try to pop up. It says, verify it's you. You're making important changes to your YouTube channel. Completing this extra step will keep your data safe and make sure it's really you. So we're going to click on proceed. All right, so after you click on proceed, it's going to ask you to sign in. Again, I've got my email blocked out. I've got my password blocked out, but we're going to go ahead and put those in. And then we're going to click on next. Now you may need your phone for this, and you're just going to have to take my word for it. But as you guys can see right here, I have a Samsung Galaxy S10. So I'm going to hit yes. And then it's going to, I actually have something on my phone right now that just popped up. And I'm going to accept it, press yes. And then we're going to match up the numbers that are on screen from what you guys are seeing to my phone as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And that should be verified there in 1 second. There you go, we are now verified. Now it says you will be redirected to AdSense to complete this step. You need an AdSense account to start making money and get paid. So I already have one. Like I said, I have it with my MCN. So I myself am going to click yes, I have an existing account. If you don't, you can go ahead and click on this, or I don't know. Hopefully most of you guys already have an existing account. If you're worried about the money that you're already making, you should have an account somewhere. So yes, I have an existing account. We're going to click on that. Says you're only allowed one AdSense account per person. Because you have an existing AdSense account, you should select the email address associated with that account on the next screen. So we're going to hit continue. And of course, I've got a lot of Gmail accounts. I have accounts for junk mail, for personal email, for toys and stuff like that. So although you can't see them here, I'm going to click this first one. This first one is my account. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. and then we have this page that pops up. Now this has a lot of personal information. The only thing that I'm going to let you guys see is this area right here. It says your existing Google Publisher account. You're already linked to an existing Google Publisher product. Continue with this account or use a different account to connect to AdSense. So as I said, we're going to keep this the exact same way, and we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so it says link your host account to your AdSense for easy setup. Click accept association to proceed. You'll be redirected to your host after the association is complete. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. Okay, so that should have all happened automatically. It should have redirected to your host. And if we scroll down here now, it says that we have an active AdSense account. Again, this is all personal information here, the ID and stuff like that. So you guys don't need to see that. But as you can see, AdSense account is active. So we are now good. We don't have to worry about that January 1st, 2021 cutoff date, and we can continue making money on our YouTube channel. I just wanted to put this out there. Hopefully it helps you guys out. There are a lot of changes coming to YouTube. There's changes right now that are happening that I didn't even know were happening, such as if we go over to, what is it? Not dashboard. Customization is a brand new thing that used to be on our homepage. This is how you can actually change your homepage now. I don't know, there's just a whole bunch of changes coming to YouTube. We're going to be making tutorials for each and every one of these to help you guys out. But there are definitely changes coming to YouTube. And I know that people hate changes, but the way I see it, it's just something new and exciting to go ahead and jump into and learn about. So if you guys found this video useful at all, again, please consider subscribing. It really helps the channel out. And I don't know, just let me know how many of you guys got this email as well. Be very interested to see. And I guess we'll see you guys on the next video.